My name is Ciara Harris, and at Facial Beauty Dental, I am a dental hygienist. The reason why I chose to be a dental hygienist is because when I was younger, I had very crooked teeth. My mom had took me to the orthodontist, and once I was done with my procedure, I was able to just smile nonstop, which was a very good feeling, and I wanted for others to be able to feel that way as well. Each patient is uniquely different. I try to evaluate each individual patient and see where they're at, what they're doing at home and what they're not doing at home, so that way I can give them tips and tricks on how to better their oral hygiene. What stood out to me about Dr. Smith is that he knows exactly what each individual patient has going on as well. We're able to collaborate with one another to help treat the patient. So the atmosphere here at Facial Beauty Dental is very relaxing, it's very comfortable, a very nice environment to be in, and this is why I chose to work here. Come visit us at Facial Beauty Dental, where a beautiful smile increases your face value.